how you will assess yourself in English speaking? Self assessment is the technique. You can put yourself in any task and just try to identify the strengths and weaknesses inside it. And the way it carries on, let me tell you that. See, self assessment can only be carries when you record yourself, okay? When you tries to see yourself as if I'm going it wrong, as if I'm going it wrong. There's an ancient technique for long is that, have you seen many of the legends in the ancient time? They basically have that technique as they try to copy and like they try to assume the thing and tries to practice on that thing. फॉर सपोज आपने देखा होगा बॉक्सिंग जब हम करते हैं तो वी यूज टू हैव द बॉक्सिंग बैग ओके एंड वी यूज टू डू द बॉक्सिंग द सेम यू हैव टू डू इन द इंग्लिश एज वेल you need to assume the audience, you need to assume the formal person over there and try to have a basic communication, try to have a smooth communication so that you will feel that as if you are speaking with someone, okay? And this will really going to help you in real English communication, okay? So I hope that the ancient people got everything from this, and the same you will get also unexpected results by trying this technique, okay? So please follow this technique and try it also. It will give you most amazing results, okay? Assume any audience, assume any person over there. You can assume more audience, you can assume less audience, okay? So I hope you have got this point, and if you want to learn more, just follow this channel. I'll be sharing some more tips. Bye bye.